Kenny, are you an alien? He doesn't like you. Kenny. Oh, I hate Cheeky Cheeky. I think he wants you to put your hand in the sloth.
Get your bit.
This video's 2 minutes. I've been waiting to stop it till he stopped making sounds, but he's not stopping. Here's what our house looks like at this point in time. We're decorated for Christmas. Here's what I look like. There's what Rachel looks like. Did he bite you in the butt?
He bit me in the thigh.
Hi, Cheeky.